Hey there, guys. Chet here. Now, I'm going to say something a little controversial that I think most people are wasting the potential of AI. They use it like a simple chat bot, but they're missing out on its real power, which is creating teams of AI agents that can solve complex problems for them. Now, to do this, you need the right tools, and two of the most important names that you will hear in this advanced space are n8n and Autogen. But this is where a lot of people get stuck. They see these two names and think they have to choose between them when in reality, they're not competitors at all. So in this video, we're going to clear up that confusion. I will explain the very different jobs these two tools perform and show you why n8n is the essential platform that you need to actually manage and use a powerful AI system like Autogen in your business. If you decide to try n8n after watching this, I'll leave the official link below so that you can check it out. And if you want to host n8n on your own server, I made a separate video showing how to do that with Hostinger step by step. Both of those links are below. All right, let's start with the core purpose of each tool. Autogen has a very specific job. It is a framework or a toolkit for software developers. It is not an application that you can just open and start using. Its purpose is to help programmers write code that allows multiple AI agents to talk to each other to solve a complex problem. For example, a developer could use Autogen to create a writer agent and a critic agent. The writer agent would write a paragraph, and the critic agent would give it feedback. They would have a conversation back and forth to improve the writing. Autogen's main job is to manage these AI conversations in code. Now, n8n, on the other hand, is a complete visual automation platform. Its job is much broader. It is designed to connect the hundreds of apps that your business uses every day, like your email, your customer database, your project management tools, and your social media accounts. It manages the entire flow of work and data between all of these different services. So the first key difference is their function. Autogen is a low-level coding framework for creating conversations between AI agents. n8n is a high-level platform for automating the business processes that happen before and after those conversations. This brings us to who these tools are built for. Autogen is built exclusively for software developers. To use it, you must be able to write Python code. You need to understand programming concepts to define the different agents and how they interact. A non-technical person, like a marketer or a business manager, cannot use Autogen directly. This is a huge difference when you compare it to n8n. n8n is built for the entire team. Its visual drag-and-drop interface means that people in your marketing, sales, or even operations departments can build powerful automations without writing a single line of code. It makes automation a skill that everyone in the company can have, not just the developers. This empowers your business to move much faster and to also be much more efficient. Most important point to understand is how these tools can work together as a team. You don't have to choose one over the other. A developer can use Autogen to create a specialist AI team that can solve a very complex problem. But what gives that team its work? And what happens with the result? This is where n8n is essential. n8n is the company manager. An n8n workflow can start when a new complex support ticket arrives. n8n then sends the problem to your specialized Autogen team. The AI team can then work together, have a conversation, and figure out the best solution. They then hand the final answer back to n8n. n8n can then finish the job by emailing the solution to the customer and closing the support ticket. Autogen creates the expert team, but n8n gives them a job to do and manages the entire business process around them. I know that bringing these two worlds together, the world of visual automation in n8n and the world of advanced AI coding with libraries like Autogen, is a very powerful but advanced skill. This is exactly the kind of cutting-edge automation that I teach inside of my school community. We explore how to connect n8n to custom-coded AI agents to build incredibly smart systems. I have courses, and we do live calls to help you understand these professional techniques. If you're ready to build at the highest level of automation, the link to my community is in the description. So in the end, you don't have to choose between n8n and Autogen. They are not competitors. Autogen is a brilliant framework for developers who need to build complex multi-agent AI conversations, but n8n is the essential business platform that makes those AI conversations useful. It connects your AI agents to the real world of your business apps and processes. All right, that's the end of this video. I hope this clears up the confusion and shows how these powerful technologies can work together as a team. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.